Salami. We are going to work. Uban ko kang Jerbot sa iyang work na po, guys. Kay ano po siya buhaton nga. He needs my help.
Do you know why you got 20 euros?
Yeah, advance payment for my work tonight.
Yes.
Yeah, it's 8 o'clock here now, guys. 8 o'clock p.m. And I know in the Philippines is 2 a.m. So, kamo na nga tulog pa. Naghagok pa. Kami ani padulong kami sa trabaho namo. Ang trabaho ko, guys, for 20 euro. Okay. Yes, guys, going to work.
Yeah.
Sa
20 euro. It's for 2 hours work.
8 o'clock na rin, guys, hayag pa. It looks like 5 o'clock in the morning in the Philippines. Okay, samara to, guys. Bye-bye, Momo, chup-chup.
Or 5.
Ano po to, guys? Mapagpagsugod na ako sa akong work. Snack na dayon. It's a plum cake. Ang Cardelia Buneruma nagbili ng cake. Ay, may kayo. Plum. Pagkita kasugod ang trabaho, nagkaon na. Pero kaon. Lamig yun siya. I will eat this all.
Yeah, you can eat a lot. This is yours.
Dankeschön.
Schön.
Lamig yun siya, guys, promise. Mama to, guys. Bye-bye, Mama. Chup-chup. So, napod to, guys. Mamuti na mi, guys. Mamuti na mi. Mulit na mi. Mamulit na. Oosh. 18 degrees. So,
Not so much.
yeah. Mulit na mi, guys, sa among night shift work. Cherries. Wala na dali ang itsura sa iyang workplace ng building. Sa guys.
We go there, I will show you. It's an old monastery.
Okay. Let's go. Isa na kong dalhon dito sa old monastery, guys. Nagdari. Tugnaw, may ganiin ani ako.
Here, you can see.
That one. It's a Catholic or Protestant?
It's Catholic. It's Catholic. Yeah, you can see there's a church in the center and 5 buildings like these, like a star surrounding the church.
Yeah, very nice. The building is old but looks very strong.
It
Yeah.
is built like a castle.
Yeah. Kaniding yung kuan working place, guys. Old monastery din siya. Oh, na siya, guys. So, mara to, guys. Wali na mi. Ben, machup-chup. Sa mao na po sa guys pa. Only na mi good, guys.
How is it for you? You're tired or not?
I sleep, I think, 3 hours. Yeah.
But you slept 3 hours, but it is not. You can stand up and say, "Oh, I am super strong and powerful."
Yeah. So, ito guys, alien na me. Oo, nakasleep na ko 3 hours. Pero at least 3 hours was not bad. Yeah, I'm strong.
No, it sounds so wonderful to have. I could sleep 3 hours.
Yeah.
You're not ready in the morning to say, oh, I can do everything.
Yeah.
Here, that was IBM.
Ah, IBM, computer.
Yes. And now it is Lenovo.
Ah,
Lenovo bought all the things. There is a small company called IBM, but it is not the big and the leading.
sumara to guys. Bye-bye,
It
Mama.
was
Okay. Wow.
50 years ago.